Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Asia.dionna here. Today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye tutorial. It's something I never did before. I have never done a smoky eye on anybody or on myself. So you finna see like I'm finna see how this finna turn out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get into this video. Okay, so I zoomed in super close so that y'all can see what we finna do here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some tape because I want the edges of this to be like pretty sharp, and I'm gonna put this on the outsides of my eye. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna take is some black gel liner, and I'm going to use this as my base for my smoky eye. And I'm going to just take a flat brush and dip into that and put it on my eyelid. I'm going to leave it really low because you don't want to take a smoky eye too high. I know that much at least. So just do like a couple dabs of it because we're going to smear, like we're going to blend all of this out. And to set that eyeliner in place, I'm going to take this black shade out of this Tarte palette. It's like my favorite black to use because it's actually like a true black. Some blacks have like a gray undertone to them, but this one is actually super black, and it's called Punk. And I'm going to use this to set all of that in. These 4 shades right here. So I think I want to go in with Mod and Drama, which are these 2 right here, and I'm gonna mix those together and add this, you know, right on top, well, right above where I just put the black. Well, it's still kind of on the burgundy side. It's called Vamp, and I'm going to use that mainly on the edge. Use the color Gleam, which is also in this palette. And I'm going to just use this just to brighten it up a little bit and kind of get rid of some of that red that might have creeped up in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the tape off. That's what I meant when I said I want it to be really sharp on the edges, because I want to do like a wing liner, and I feel like it just looks so much more neater like this. Take a little small brush like this, and I'm going to go underneath my eyes with a little bit of black in that same burgundy that I used. For a liner, I'm going to use that same line that I used to do the smoky eye, and I'm going to just do a really quick little wing. I went ahead and added on some lashes. So now I'm going to just get into doing my face. I'm not going to really talk through this because it's pretty much the same routine that I always do. So I'm going to just let y'all enjoy the music and watch. That's it for the tutorial, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I did pretty good for this to be my first time doing Smokey. I still see some room for improvement, but so far, for this to be my first time ever doing this, I think I did pretty good, y'all. What y'all think? But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see y'all on my next